Last time, Team Hatzi, we got delivered the Hatzi boxes, and oh my god, Team Hatzi, they look amazing. Today it was time to finally start filming the Hatzi ad, and we had no selfie stick, but all we needed was the Hatzi car, a bottle, and Connor. We went to the place of the filming, which was Maroubra Beach, Team Hatzi, and it was so filthy. There was bottles everywhere, Team Hatzi, and we tried helping the environment by cleaning them up. It was very, very shocking. Team Hatzi, today was also the last chance that you could get your Hatzi shirt. Team Hatzi, I just want to let you know that I'm not superstitious at all. But Team Hatzi, was day 113 of the 180-day challenge, and Team Hatzi, today, everything just seemed to go so weird and so wrong. It first started off when I was editing the Hatzi weekly update video, and Team Hatzi, the laptop just kept crashing about 20 times. And it was so stressful, Team Hatzi. It took forever to get that video out, and I was not happy with how it turned out. But Team Hatzi, I've got some great news, and I want to tell you about. I interrupt this Hatzi weekly update. You're probably wondering what I'm wearing, Team Hatzi, and why I'm dressed so nice, and what is a special occasion. Well, Team Hatzi, today we have made a special business deal. We have ordered the Hatzi shirts, and this, Team Hatzi, is a historic day for everyone watching this. It is amazing, Team Hatzi, and I feel like we are so much closer to completing the 180-day challenge. Wow. It was day 114, Team Hatzi, and today I was testing out this crazy night filming technique that I saw in a video, Team Hatzi. I tried it myself, Team Hatzi, and well, let's compare the two. As you can see, Team Hatzi, my camera is not the best, and it just didn't work, Team Hatzi. Today, Team Hatzi, it was time to finally edit the Hatzi ad so we can get it ready to send to the Beast, which is the magazine that we are trying to get into, Team Hatzi. So then, Team Hatzi, I came up with a plan. Team Hatzi, the plan was simple. On day 114, we were meant to finish the video, and Team Hatzi, on day 115, I was meant to show you the video, fix it up, and then send it to the Beast magazine. It was day 115, Team Hatzi, and today was the day that I was meant to finish the editing of the Hatzi video. And well, Team Hatzi, I was meant to add all the subtitles, I was meant to add all the sounds, and I was meant to show you, Team Hatzi, on that night, so you can vote and you can tell me what I need to change. But Team Hatzi, that did not go to plan. I stayed up to about 12 o'clock, and I kept going, Team Hatzi, and I only had edited half the video, and I felt like I had let you down. Team Hatzi, after countless hours and so much hardship, I'm feeling like I let you down. It was day 116, and a historic day, Team Hatzi, it was. I have finally finished the Hatzi ad. How did it get here? Unhappy, lonely, searching for comfort. Placed in branding that is uncomfortable but appealing to others. What if there could be both clothes that are comfortable and yet appealing? Breaking away from the traditional, unthoughtful mass manufacturing of human branding. This has led to the birth of Hatzi and the 180-day challenge to making a business. Fast forward to the end goal of cutting, sewing, motivating, and building not just an eco-friendly clothing brand, but a community.
Team Hatzi. Hey, Team Hatzi. Striving to be your best. Yeah.
Are you being your best? Wow, Team Hatzi, the ad is amazing, and now it was time to show you, Team Hatzi, and see what you thought about it. Team Hatzi, are you wondering where the Hatzi shirts are? I am too. It is day 117, Team Hatzi, and it's time for me now to ring the supplier and see where the Hatzi shirts are. Hello? Hello, this is the supplier. Yes, I'm just wondering where the Hatzi shirts are. Oh, mate, they're getting delivered on their way. It'll be about 2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah, that's it,
That
mate.
is amazing.
I know.
Team Hatzi, the Hatzi shirts are
What?
2 weeks
What's going
away.
on? Hello?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, he's gone. Team Hatzi, I don't know if he meant that 2 weeks away to get ordered or 2 weeks to actually get made and sent to the Hatzi HQ. This is so confusing, Team Hatzi. I might ring him tomorrow.
Team Hatzi, the past 2 weeks of making the video have been ups and downs, and it is just part of the journey, Team Hatzi. It has made me realize that the journey is worth it, because last night I posted the Hatzi video draft, and this is what you guys have said about it. The feedback from the video was amazing, Team Hatzi. You guys absolutely loved it, and the only problems you had was with the spelling and all that. So in the meantime, Team Hatzi, make sure you keep updated by following the Hatzi Daily Instagram, and remember to be your best.